Okay, this is the login sign up page. This is the login page, or this is the sign up page. And we see this is the light mode and this is the dark mode also we applied. And this is also mobile responsive. So look good in the mobile display also. And this is the tablet and this is the wide display. And first we see in the login. And first we enter in a home page. This is the home page look like. This is also in light mode and this is also mobile responsive. Looks great in mobile also. And this is also dark mode and this is the profile page. This is the username. This is the bio and this is the proper user page which will upload the image by user. Image, whatever image is uploaded by user. And this is the also update profile page and also password we can change on this site. Also we can change avatar. So yeah, this is 8 we can see. And also we see what my friend profile page. May follow unfollow. This is follow. This is unfollow. Yeah, that's it. First of all, we see backend, and this is the server file, which is the started root file. Okay, and this is the Cloudinary configuration. What is a Cloudinary? Cloudinary is a image database. Like all the images are uploaded by users, stored in the Cloudinary, like profile photo and post photo all are stored in Cloudinary. Okay, and this is the connected database, and this is the all the app use and listen. Okay, where is database, and this is the database mongoose connection, and this is the url .env file. This is the url and this is the port jwt secret and Cloudinary all the configuration. Okay, and this is the post schema posted by user text, image, video, likes, replies, everything is here. And user schema, name, username, email, password, profile pic, followers, following, bio, timestamp, true, everything is a user. And this is also a middleware where can go to a route. We check for a middleware it is authenticate or not, and this is the middleware. Okay, this is the route import a user controller all the controls and user get and post request which is profile, sign up, login, log out, follow, unfollow, update, right? And this is the post route, which you can see. This is the like middleware here, which you can check user is authenticate or not, right? And then we see controllers. These are all the controller: get user profile, sign up user, sign in login user, log out user, follow up and unfollow user, update user, is all are here. And this is the also post side: create post, get post, delete post, and also like unlike post, reply to post, get feed to post, get user post. All the posts are the code in here. And this is the cookies. And this is the like wherever a user is signing in this set is of maximum 15 days. They no need to re-login. They automatically login until 15 days until 15 days. After that, we log out, automatic log out and for re-login user. Okay, so this is the env file. All you we see. Okay, that's it for the backend. Okay, we successfully created a backend. So we next get into the front end part, right? So white. I use white, which is a front end tooling. This is the lighting fast and developer work is easy on this tool. So I use white, right? So we first configure how to connect backend and through frontend. So this is the white configuration file, which is clear. This is file. Okay, so this is the proxy, and this is the API target, or this is the backend hosted URL, right? What is on render? On render is a backend hosted database, whatever you say. I deploy backend on this URL, matlab on this render. But for the on the local machine, you also use localhost 5000 and run for a backend part, and then it is successfully connected frontend and backend, right? And this is also a main JSX, or this is we use Chakra for the UI UX design or backend and back and light theme, right? This is the recall root browser router. This is the rake router, and this is Chakra provider theme, black theme and light theme, whatever you choose. A color mode script app, right? And what is the recoil we talk about later. Okay, this is the style, light and white background. This is the configuration, light and dark also. Okay, so first of all, FJS. This is the FJS, which is you can use routing like auth, update, and path, username, whatever you say. Or this is the user. What is recoil? What you see? This recoil is a main like a state management library which I can use. Okay, so what is the work in this? Like recoil, uatom. This is the login. Okay, This is the atom page. This is the code for where user login or not. Okay, this is for also login or not, or this is the for post. Okay, this is the page you can find a user. Okay, user is login to show home page or not, to redirect to the authorization author out. This is the update page. This is the username page. This is the all router. Okay, this is the all component like action like handle replies, handle like and not like, and flex direction. All you can see here. But you see, with whatever I fetch, I only use API post like everywhere we get into something database. We don't write local 5000 because we configure here, so we do not want to reconfigure all the time, right? Simply write API post like, and this is the comment part. This is also create post part. Let's see API post create, how we fetch here from using async await line. This is also UI UX design part. This is the header part. This is the link which you can use, how you can use a login or logout. This is the user item. Decide login card. How to show the login. This is the user API login. Okay. This is a logout button. User API use logout. We don't need to write local of 5000. Only API user logout. How crazy is it? Or this is the post page. This is the sign up page. This is API user sign up. This is the user header, user ID, follow, unfollow, whatever you can see is here. This is the user post. Okay, this is the all about hooks. How we use hooks. User set loading username, custom hooks. This is the set user logout functionality. This is the user preview, which you can user where post something image. So preview image. This is the right preview image. This is a toast where you can use a toast. This is the notification, like notification. Yes. This is also page, authorization page. Use using recall. This is the home page. Okay. This is the post page. This is the user profile page, right? Which you can see. This is the user page. Okay. That's it. All you can see. Okay.